Hello, welcome to Benmarks Motors. Today we've got something very different, not something that we usually sell, but just came in as a part exchange, so we took it in. I've had a little bit of fun on it. It's great fun, to be fair. It's a Spy Racer F3 racing quad. It's a 250cc one. This in the red 2019 plate. It is MOT till November 26. It is fully road legal. Just need insurance and tax. And a helmet, of course. It's in good nick. I mean, it's like new, really. It's only done 103 miles. It's not much to say. Fires up, works, stops, as it should. There's a few little marks here and there. But nothing major. A little bit close for you. Twin exhaust at the back. Obviously you've got your indicators, being a road legal one. It's got no history or anything, no service. Obviously we've got the V5 and stuff, but it's only done 100 miles. I mean, you know, if you want to service it, sure it won't take much to service. There you go. I'll fire up. It's electric start. It's got 2 keys. It's got an immobiliser on it as well. There you go. 103 miles. Ticks over nicely. Like I said, I've been on it and it drives fine. Well, what a quad bike can drive fine. Obviously any questions or anything, but it's down here now at Benmarks Motors. It's only 1995, so yeah, come and get yourself some fun. Thanks for watching.